Virgo, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At titinan natin kung ano yung energies na inyong kaperahan, money, career, finances ngayong May 2026. So this is a general reading. Pwede ka makarelate, pwede hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. Mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto niyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mrqueenph.com, or you can book directly sa aking calendar, link on the description or comment section. Okay, Virgo, what is the energy for you? Kaperahan ng mga Virgo ngayong May. Oh, victory. Merong achievement. Oh, meron kayo isa-celebrate. May mananalo. Oh, you are going to win in life, in your career. Ngayong maaring may celebration, meron kang specific goal financially na marireach mo ngayong May, mas productive ka. It's a very positive energy for you. You also have the strength card. So malakas ang iyong pangangatawan. More productive kapag malakas ang pangangatawan. This is also about your stamina, no? So, maaring, magiging busy ka. And syempre, kailangan rin, no, na pangalagaan ng sarili. Hindi porket, malakas ka ngayon, i-abuse mo na yung katawan mo. But you also have to take care of yourself, your health. You are so inspired. Oh, yun naman kasi, meron kayong source of inspiration sa trabaho nyo, sa business nyo. That's why you feel like you're winning. Ito yung tipong halos ayaw magpahinga. Kasi alam nyo na, kumbaga sinasamantala nyo yung energies for your career or business. Like, let's say, for example, meron ka negosyo and sinasamantala mo na trending yung products mo or services mo. So, you really want to make the most out of it. You have the sun. Ayan. Sun is happiness, divine service, confidence, illumination. So, may sayang masaya ka sa mga nangyayari sa career mo, trabaho mo ngayon, Virgo, because you are becoming the center of attention. Maaring sa career mo, mas nare-recognize ka na ngayon, mas napapansin ka sa trabaho, dahil nga mas marami kang na-accomplish. You also have the crane. Ayan. So, crane is about longevity. Pagkakaroon ng, kumbaga, parang stamina rin to no? Dahil meron kang longevity, you can do a lot of things in a longer period of time. So, yung iba sa inyo, madalas kayo mag-OT. Ayan, OT pa more para maraming kita, no? Pagdating ng sweldo. Or you are going to work beyond hours, beyond your working hours. But like what I mentioned sa inyo kanina, kailangan i-balance niyo pa rin para hindi rin kayo magkasakit. Because we don't want naman na magkasakit kayo, di ba? And this is also about commitment. I feel like mas magiging committed ka sa career, sa trabaho mo, sa business mo because nakikita mo kasi yung resulta eh. Kumbaga, agad-agad may resulta ka kaya mas nai-inspire ka to work on your career. You also have links. This is about intuition and being independent. I see na mas tahimik ka ngayon na nagtatrabaho, focused, hindi ka nagpapadistract sa mga nangyayari sa paligid mo. Sabi nga keep your eye on the prize, ganon, so hindi ka distracted sa drama, sa paligid mo, sa mga taong wanting to bring you down. You're just focused on your goals. You have the King of Cups, yes, so this is your passion. Some of you are working in a creative field or you are someone na masaya ka sa business or trabaho na pinupurso mo ngayon because it is aligning to your happiness. You also have the Five of Cups. Meron ditong regrets about something na feeling mo na miss out mo. But sabi nga nila, kung para sa'yo, hindi mo yan makakaligtaan or hindi yan lalagpas sa'yo. At kung lumagpas man sa'yo, babalik yan sa'yo sa tamang panahon kung para sa'yo talaga. So, maaring yun yung issue ng iba sa inyo, meron kayong opportunity na pinalagpas. But, wag nyo na stress yung sarili nyo sa mga ganon kasi if that is not really for you, then that's not for you. Move on and move forward. Yan, merong transformation and change. Pwede kasi may ending dito, like merong ni-release, merong natapos, let's say a contract na natapos, or you left a situation sa business, sa career, trabaho mo, na akala mo wala nang makagiging kapalit or wala nang darating na mas bago, meron, no? May magbubukas na opportunity for you. You also have the Knight of Swords. So, merong communication dito, mabilis ang communication. You may be talking to someone sa work, related sa bagong trabaho or training na kailangan mo pagdaanan. I also see na mas, ano ka ngayon, tawag nito, mas hands-on sa mga ginagawa mo, like sa process na kailangan mo pagdaanan. Hindi mo na iuutos sa iba. You want to do it on your own because you want to learn more. Be careful lang sa communication with someone, lalo na kung hindi kayo nag-agree sa mga ideas. It's okay. Sabi nga, it's okay to agree to disagree. Ganon. Oo, kasi we just have to respect each other's ideas and perspective. The time is right to access and master your abilities. So, meron ka rin ma-master na abilities. You will do so with humility and control. Ayun. So, syempre, pag na-master mo ang isang ability, di ba, parang it will boost your confidence na, wow, ang galing mo, you're like an expert in that field. Pero it doesn't mean na kailangang mag-boast ka na, no? Yung tipong magyabang ka na. You will do your expertise with humility and also control. Na alam mo kung kailan ka magiging proud sa sarili mo, alam mo rin na paano magpakumbaba. Okay? And then, now is the time to get out into the world and connect with authentic ways. So, I see also some of you, you are leaving a comfort zone. Aalis ka sa isang comfort zone, like let's say career path mo, meron kang susubukang bago, kasi alam mo na doon ka tinatawag or nandun yung opportunity for you. Minsan kasi pag masyado na tayong naging komportable sa ating trabaho, sa career natin, hindi na siya exciting or parang feeling mo wala ka nang natututunan na bago. So it's time for you to go out and step into more authentic you. Mas totoong ikaw. Yeah. Your success is now at hand. Allow the abundance to flow to you effortlessly. Ayan. So, merong abundance flowing sa iyo. Kasi nasa mga kamay mo na yung success. Kaya nga may victory dito eh. May celebration. You're going to celebrate your success. You're going to celebrate your achievements. You're going to celebrate mga milestones. Kahit yung mga small wins na yan. It will be your inspiration to move forward. Ayan. So that is your reading, Virgo. Thank you so much. See you again.